So today we're going to introduce how to set up data development templates on EMR Serverless Spark. So first, let's click into EMR, and then let's click on Spark, and then go into whichever workspace we'll be using. And here, let's click on Configurations. So here we'll be able to create a new template by just clicking Create Template, and here we'll just name it the Demo 08. Right, and here we recommend to put this JDK17 as our default engine version. And here, please feel free to configure all these cores and memories configurations according to your requirements. And also, please remember to configure the Spark configurations as well. And after all these are done, we can just click on Create, and then the template will be created. So now we can just go back to Development. Let's click into it. And then just for example, let's create a new PySpark node. So let's select PySpark and let's give it a name called the Demo 08. And here, since it is exactly the same as what we have in our template, so there will not be any changes to apply. But like, let's see if we modify this a bit. Let's just select a random one, and then we can just click on Load from Template, and then select the template that we just created. And then here it will basically show the changes that we are about to make. And you'll be able to sort of like review whether you want to change this or not. If you do want to change this, you can just click Apply Changes, and then it will be changed into the template that we want to make use of. Okay, so that's basically it for this short demo. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.